I just bought myself a brand new
Nobody want to hear your stupid sneakers, bro. This is Budaya Pop. Hello, welcome back to the show. My name is Daniel. Most of you know me as DanteGunpla. I've been doing this Gundam hobby for almost a year. As you know from my Instagram follower, please follow, that I customize for customers. I paint them, bash them. I've done multiple kits. So today we have something really awesome. My buddy Arman, hope he's alive, challenged me to do a restoration kit, and so happened enough, one of my favorite customers gave me a kit, the Gundam Astraea. Astraea. Yes. This kit is a 100 kit. It is no grade. The good thing about this kit is I love Astraea, and this is like a pre-sequel to Gundam 001. So I'm gonna restore this kit. Okay, you can see very badly here, damages, nubs is not being cleaned, some loose joints over here. What else I'm gonna do with this? I think I'm gonna just try to bash the kit out of it, make it look awesome, but still maintain the essence of Astraea with his fins be here, his back portion. Definitely Astraea needs a sword, so we're gonna get a sword for that. In terms of color wise, I'm just gonna keep it very simple. White, flat white, blue. I was thinking of doing metallic. First time ever, I think I'm gonna try pre-shading as well, so let's hope it turns out good. Inner frame, definitely gunmetal, rubber iron. Yeah, and also to see what we can do with all these spare parts here. So let's start customizing this kit. Don't forget to follow me at DanteGunpla. I'll see you in a bit.
One pair of pants later.
Ta-da! This is the Gundam Astraea X build. Look at this bad boy. You wanna know how I got this? Let's go into detail. This is the Astraea X build. So I actually had a Gundam HG build fighter kit. Okay, the Gundam kit is actually called the End. So in the end, he met his doom, and I tore his wings off and actually added it onto the Astraea right here on the shoulder pad. I thought it would be cool to actually have the wings inside there to give it a little bit more flair, like a soldier from the medievals with their cape on and everything. So what I did is I actually punched a hole inside there to make it fit right there, so we can actually turn to the left and right to give it more articulation. Then moving down, of course you'll see some color separation on top. I actually thought of doing it the blue at the side to give it that cool look right here. It wasn't easy though, because you have to mask this portion, and so forth. So it took a bit of time for me to do that as well. Moving on downwards, before I actually go into this, I just want to emphasize that this non-grade kit is actually quite detailed, and for the price you're paying, most of the separation of colors here actually came with the kit. So by me saying that is actually it came with the scribing or the panels, so it makes it easier as a builder, as a customizer, to actually do the color separation on this kit itself. So for a non-grade kit, and the price you're paying is actually really, really good. So as I move down to the arms, the weapons, this kit doesn't come with the GN sword, of course. I actually took this GN sword from my non-grade Astraea and added it inside, so I thought it'd be cool to have his GN sword. Who doesn't like a big ass sword, right? The gun buster itself is actually with the kit, so I thought it would be cool to actually attach the shield next to the gun, give it a more robust and more dynamic gun to make it look cooler. So yeah, so how I got it is actually what you do with it. You just have to punch a hole and just put it inside and attach it in. So actually this can be taken out as well and be part of his arm right there. You can actually attach it at his arm. So moving down, a lot of my customers or a lot of my friends actually ask me, why do we scribe, or why do we do the additional panel lines? Well, the reason, one of it, for me personally, the reason why I scribe is to actually give that color separation when you do. So for example, this portion here, how I did it is I thought it would be good that you have like another separation of color between the white and gray. That gives it a more robotic kind of feel, I would say. So yeah, so moving down, actually this leg is from Astraea, hence that's why you will see his clear parts here, which I stole from my Astraea. I did a little bit more panel line here. I did some color separation at the back to give it a more cool looking, I would say, and give it more better color separation in there. I actually like this color. It's actually called blue gray. I was thinking to do it for another kit, but when I was painting it, it came to me as like, hey, I should try this color, because one of the reasons why is I like this because it matches very well with the Graham blue that I did for the kit itself. Oh, to add on, so I actually extended the beam saber. I added in these beam sabers at the back of the shoulder to give him more weapons for him to fight in combat. I actually kind of like the finishing of this robot iron that I did for the kit itself. So yeah, so all in all, this is one good kit that I would definitely recommend. For a kit like this to have such high detail, you know, especially this portion here, this portion here, the portion here, I think this is a really, really good kit. Well, the only thing with my concern with, or my qualms with the non-grade kits is that the articulation is bad. But I mean, the price you're paying is kind of, you know, it's kind of worth it as well. So yeah, so this is my customization of the Gundam X Astraea. Hope you guys enjoy the video and you learn something about bashing a kit and restoring a kit. Yeah, so if there's any questions you want to know, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Well, that's our show for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave all the links down below for my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I hope I'll be doing more videos in the coming time. So in the meantime, if you have any questions or if you even want me to customize your kit, just DM me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And Arman here. Arman here. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video.